I'm writing a blog post today. My goal is to deliver 3 blog articles, and I'll do my best to achieve that.
Actually, instead of monitoring customers, I'm here to support them. As a result, what they thought would take a day actually was completed in 3 hours, or the tasks that usually take 3 hours were done in 1 hour at this cafe.
Just like everyone needs family affection, the demand to meet a deadline is a shared demand globally.